how to log out of all devices on Paramount Plus. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you'll be able to log out all of your account and all of the devices connected to your Paramount Plus. So here all you have to do is, since I am currently not able to access in my region for a Paramount account, what I'll do here is I will guide you on their Paramount Plus Help Center. All you have to do in order for you to log out on all of the devices is actually reset your Paramount password. This is the only way, since there is no option for you to log out on all of the devices. But if you will change your password, you will be able to automatically, or Paramount will automatically log out your account from all of the devices except for the device that you processed the changed password in. So all you have to do here is simply click on your sign in link located at the top right corner of your homepage, and then click on forgot password, and then just enter your email address and to sign up for Paramount Plus. And after that, you just need to check your email from Paramount and then click the password reset link within that email. After that, you just need to create your email and then confirm your new password. And once everything has been done, you will now be logged out of all your devices connected to your Paramount Plus account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!